In today's video, I am going to teach you how to invite guests to Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser and go to your meeting. This can be a meeting that is already in progress or one you have opened from your calendar or meeting link. Once you are on the meeting screen, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct meeting, because the invite you share will be for whatever meeting is currently open. Next, look for the People option in the meeting controls and select it. This opens the participant panel where you can see who is currently in the meeting and access options for inviting others. This is the main place in Teams where you manage attendees during a meeting, so it is the quickest path for sending invitations. In the People panel, find and select Share Invite. This is where Teams gives you different ways to send the meeting information to guests. At this point, you have two common options depending on how you want to invite someone. First, if you want to paste the meeting into a chat message, a calendar event, or any other place, choose Copy Meeting Link. Teams will copy the full meeting link to your clipboard. After that, you can paste it wherever you need. This is useful when you are inviting someone through a messaging app, when you are adding the link to a document, or when you want to send it through an email service you are already using. If you prefer to send an invitation through your computer's email app, choose Share via Default Email. This opens a new email message in your default email program, with the meeting information already included. From there, you can add your guest's email address, adjust the subject line if needed, and include a short note so they know what the meeting is for and when to join. Finally, if you need to grab just the most important part of the invitation, you can highlight the meeting details shown on screen and copy that text as well. This can help when you only want to share the link and basic information without extra formatting. And that is all there is to it.